Hi, this is Lee Phillips. I'm an attorney. This is part of our YouTube series. And I want to talk to you for 2 seconds about taxes. Yeah, it's a once-a-year thing. Actually, it's an everyday thing, or at least it should be for you. Ben Rucker here is an associate in our office. He's actually independent. He's an accountant. Accountants and attorneys can't associate together, even though we kind of like each other. You can wave. That's okay. Accountants don't have any personality either. You have to understand that. But Ben has actually spent the last 7 years with the IRS as a special auditor, so he kind of knows his way around the IRS and kind of knows what to do. In fact, for years I've had the big accounting firm in town, the biggest, do my taxes for me, and I had Ben do them last year when he came to work with us. And the funny thing is, there were all kinds of problems with those tax returns. And he'd sit and scratch his head and he'd say, "What are they doing?" And they had me, what, as a retail store owner?
Yeah, you're...
I'm not a retail store owner, and I keep getting audited for all of my travel. I go around, I give speeches. I'm basically a professional speaker. I teach people how to use the law to make money, protect assets. And I keep getting audited for all of this travel. Well, yeah, a retail store owner doesn't travel 200,000 miles a year on an airplane. So the IRS looks at that, and that's an automatic flag. What's the name of the thing?
The NAICS Code.
The NAICS Code. So the NAICS Code was wrong.
It didn't actually say it on your return that you were a retail store, so you didn't know that by looking at your return, but that's something I was able to help you determine.
Well, I'm not a retail store.
Yeah, I know, but I was able to look at the codes on your return, which you didn't know about.
I didn't know about that, but by getting the right codes, it's now going to make sense to the IRS that I have a travel budget, and that's going to eliminate my audits possibly.
Exactly.
And Ben will sit and look at your taxes for you. It doesn't take him a long time. In fact, how many taxes do they wheel in and give you to do in the audit?
Oh, with the IRS, yeah, I'd go through hundreds of them a day and help select those ones that were going to be audited, so I can do it fairly quickly.
So they give him a score and everything, and Ben knows exactly how that score works and how to score your IRS return. He's happy as part of my team to look at your taxes. There's going to be no charge. You're going to have to send them to him. He has a secure site and all that sort of garbage. But if you want Ben to look at the taxes and kind of give you you might have a problem here, he's happy to do that as one of my students that I deal with.
Yes, absolutely.
Even though we're not really related, and we have to make sure we say that, because accountants and lawyers, they don't mix.
That's right, that's right.
So, but he's happy to help you, and I'm happy to help you too.
Absolutely.
So give us a call. Our office number, 801-802-9020. That's my office, and they can patch you through to his office.